How to fix My Disney Experience app not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. If your application is not working, first and foremost go ahead and open up your phone setting. Select the option of apps and head to all apps. Tap on the search icon and search for Disney. In here, force stop it and head to storage and cache. Clear the cache. This will help with the bug issue. While you are in your setting, head back. Now you have to search for System Update. Select the option and make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the version of Disney Experience. Now you can also press and hold on to it. Head to App Info, force stop it and tap on Storage and Cache to clear up the cache. Once done, now go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store. In the search icon, search for My Disney Experience. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Now you have to check for your Wi-Fi connection as well. Switch to your cellular data if your Wi-Fi is acting up. Also make sure that you are not connected to any of a VPN. If you are connected, make sure to disable it and try to log in or open your application of Disney Experience. And that is how you can fix your My Disney Experience not working. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.